Welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I have got my Lazy Susan down here again, which actually Velcroed a stick to try and stop with. I don't know if it's going to work. It'll be a test to see what happens. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thumbs up on the video if you love this, because it helps grow your channel so much more when you get comments, thumbs up, and of course subscribers. So everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It means the world to me, and it keeps me going to do paintings. Okay, I want to do a drizzle, a swipe, a wreck, and a spin. I always see Kathleen Miller do it on her channel. If you haven't seen her, check her out. She's awesome. Paint pouring by Kathleen Miller. She's just amazing. So I want to give one of hers a whirl with some colors I just mixed up. I've got Arteza's Phthalo Green, Burnt Umber, Phthalo Blue, Burnt Sienna. These are all mixed. 50% Arteza, 50% Floetrol, and about a tablespoon and a half of water just to get it to the right consistency that I wanted. That's all I've done to these paints. This is white Sax acrylic, white titanium, and it is also 50% acrylic, 50% Floetrol. No water in my base at all. It was thin enough. Okay, I'm also going to be trying some new glitter paints. Never tried these before. They're called Extreme Glitter Acrylic Paints by Folk Art. I've got gold and the turquoise. I'm going to put this in my painting. We're going to see how it turns out. You may not be able to tell until I show you the dried effect, which will be a couple days from now. You'll have to stick around and watch another video. See if I show the dried results. Alrighty. So that's pretty much all the colors I'm going to do. And I've got my swipe color is going to be white. This is the Sax white acrylic. And it's got about 40% the Sax acrylic paint and 60% Floetrol I added in here. So that's going to be my swipe mixture with probably about a tablespoon of water in there to thin it out as well. Okay, let's do this painting. Oh, I should show you some dried. Let's do show and tell. I did a Dutch pour where my video camera was not working. So I did one painting, realized it wasn't working well, and did a second painting. So this is my second attempt, and it almost turned out exactly the same as my first one. So there we go. Those are those paintings dry. Hopefully we will not have any camera difficulties this time. It'll all be good. All right, let's start drizzling some paint down. My first color going down is Arteza's, the Pearlescent Deep Brown. I'm just going to put my handle this way. I think I'm just going to pour it. Now I'm thinking I'm going to go up and down first. I hope everybody's enjoying their time at home, staying safe, staying healthy. I know that this COVID is not the best scenario for everyone, especially after we just finished the holidays and New Year. Okay, I'm just going to scrape this cup out and finish it off here. Now I didn't plan on that big blob right there, so I just added another one there. Living on the edge, right? Okay. So now let's do some of my Arteza's Phthalo Green. Now I have brand new bottles. I saw another artist use these. Moose Crazy, I think it is, that is using these bottles all the time. The Flowing Canvas. If you haven't checked her out, go check out her channel. I'm going to give these bottles a try and see if I like them. Now this one I'm going to go this way with it. Okay, now I do like how that bottle had that flow happening. So far it's got my vote. Now we got Burnt Umber, which I'm hoping is not going to be as close to this color as I think it might be. Let's see. Oh, it is. It's a little bit of a red or brown. I'm going to go a little light on that one. That's the Burnt Umber. Now we got Phthalo Blue. I'm going to go this way. I like Phthalo Blue, so I'm just going to be a little generous with that one. How can you tell they're new bottles? I want to clean the tops as I go. Now this one is Burnt Sienna. A lot of browns in this painting. Might be adding another color to this. And this one is Arteza's Bordeaux Red. I love this red. It's like a burgundy red. Gorgeous. Okay. Now I've also got my Deco Arts Pearl Metallic. I figured it couldn't go wrong with adding that in. So I'm going to go diagonal wise with this one. No, maybe we'll go this way too. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more green. I'm thinking I'm going to need help with that brown. There's a lot of brown in there. Okay, my last colors going on are going to be my glitter. Now this is the sticks that I mix with, so I'm hoping that that glitter is going to show up. We'll see. I wonder if it's going to be too thick. No, maybe not. Now I'm going to be swiping these colors through, so let's hope that that glitter will stay on the top section of the swiping. It's definitely kind of a gritty paint because of the glitter. Makes it a little interesting. Okay, now let's do the gold. I'm going to leave it on the stick and drizzle this one. Now, I don't think you can go wrong with gold glitter. Now I am swiping with white, so that should help lighten it up some as well. Boy, with the colors I've picked, you'd almost think I've picked like a Scottish plaid or something. Okay, let's do some swiping. I'm going to grab my swipe sheet, grab my white, lay it down here. Oh, I'll leave my white there. Okay, now how do I want to swipe this? I'm going to do it in small sections. Yeah. I'm going to first start here and just lightly swipe. Now I've just come in the door from work about an hour ago or so. Haven't even had dinner yet. Come right in here and start painting. And I'm happy to let everybody know that was watching my last video or two. My mom, who's in a care home, has officially got her immunization. So it's far less worry for her health, which is so nice. Okay, I'm going to go opposite way here. Loving the cells that are coming up right now. Oh my goodness. Haven't even given it a spin yet and it's looking gorgeous. Oop. Grab another paper towel here. I'm going to go down along the edge, finish that off. Yeah, that's good. Now is a good time to hit that notification bell so that now that you've all subscribed, that notification bell will let you know every time I upload a video. And it's free to do subscribing and getting the notification. There's no charge. And it helps everyone's channel grow when you do that. So if you are watching and you've never hit subscribe on somebody's channel that you watch, please go back to their channel and hit subscribe, because it really does mean the world to all of us. Okay, almost done here, and then we're going to get ready to wreck it. Going through the paper towels here. Greg likes to tease me all the time that I'm at my paper towel quota for the month. Of course he's teasing me, but he'll just run out to Costco and buy another pack of them when I need them. Okay, I am really liking these cells. I think I'm going to do one extra swipe here because there's so much white there. Turn it and do an extra one here. And that's not bad. I might do one. I'm not even going to clean this off. I'm just going to go down. There we go. That looks awesome. Maybe I'll just leave it just like that. Just kidding, of course. Okay, so now I'm going to take my paintbrush, just my little cheapy paintbrush handle, and do some wrecking. You know what I'm going to do? This is going to sound funny, but I'm going to write Sandra. And see what that does. I'm going to do it down here as well. And I'm just going to do a little squiggly there. Wouldn't this be awesome if it turned out amazing just by writing my name in it? And I'll do a little squiggly here. And I'm just going to take my S tail and go to the end. And my A tail and go to the end. There we go. Let's give this a spin. Let's see what happens. Where'd my handle go? It's over here. Move that aside. Let's give her a spin. Woo! The paint almost went off the table. It didn't, but almost. I have about an inch to spare. That was a really good spin. Look at all the paint. Oh, now I gotta time it for the stick. Oh, that looks really cool. Okay, let me just wipe my hand off here. Needs more wrecking though. Then writing the name didn't work, you guys. Neat idea, but didn't work. Okay. Let's do some more wrecking. And I think right here we need some wrecking. Okay, let's give it another spin. It's not that easy to stop it. I need a bigger handle. Okay. That's really pretty. Do I want to do anything else or do I want to leave it? I can't wait to find out if this glitter shows up. All my sides are good. Yeah. I'm calling this project done. I think I need to do one little rack, and that's just this white line here. Needs more detail going through it. There we go. I am calling this masterpiece done. Let's see if I can get it off my Lazy Susan. There we go. I think it's going to dry beautifully. Love all the cells. And I haven't even torched it yet. Should we torch it, you guys? Yeah, let's give it a quick little torch, see if it does anything. There we go. All right, everybody. I will definitely show this painting as soon as it's dry on one of my show and tells. Stick around. I'm sure Greg will be putting a video up right now, one of my favorites. Click on that, stick around and watch it. Again, please hit subscribe. And to everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It really does mean the world. Bye for now.